How to fix USB Wi-Fi adapter not working in Windows. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and in the search bar search for device manager, or you can go ahead and right click on your start button, then simply press device manager from here. Once you open the device manager, you want to go ahead and expand network adapter. From here you'll find your USB adapter. Simply right click onto it, and if it's disabled, you want to go ahead and press enable device right over here. And after you do that, go ahead and check if it's working or not. If not, right click onto it, then tap on update driver. Now go ahead and tap on search automatically for drivers, and just like that, the best driver for your device is gonna install in your PC. If that does not fix your issue, you wanna head back to your home screen. In the search bar, search for CMD and right click on the command prompt, then tap on run as administrator. Now once you're in this command prompt section, you simply want to go ahead and type in net sh space winshock and space reset. After that, press enter in your keyboard, and just like that, you'll then be able to fix your issue. That is simply how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.